Alrighty, let's see if we can go live here, you guys. So I'm just going to make sure that we are live on Facebook right here. All right. Hey guys, how we doing? Hope all is well. Walt here from White Label Suite. Just wanted to have a quick little catch-up session, see if we can go live a few times and highlight some of the different features of our White Label Suite program. So I'm just going to jump in here and walk through. Today I'm going to be talking through a feature of the program which is called the AI Assistant and why it's amazing and how it can help you land more deals. So let me just shoot across to my desktop view here and make sure that you guys can see me there. Probably got the never-ending screen camera. Let me come across to our White Label Suite tool and make sure that you can see. All right, cool. So inside of our White Label Suite dashboard, and if you haven't seen the program for a little while, we have done a ton of updates. So it's great to jump back in and see what's there. One of the big pieces, of course, is how much AI we can push into this program. And the AI system's just getting better and better and better and better. So inside of the program, there's a couple of different areas where the AI really works. And you can find the first of those and actually feed the first of this inside of your business profile. Load up everything about your business, what it does, and how it works. That then feeds the AI training, which the system can find out about you, can find out about who you are, and can communicate or can create the next step in context. So the next step is ICP suggestions based on the information that you've loaded up into the program. The system will actually even suggest niches for you to go after. And now we get to the AI assistant, and that's really where I wanted to focus today, to be able to walk this through and show you where this lives, how it works, and how you can use the information within the AI assistant to create amazing results. So the AI assistant lives here in our lead search area. And again, guys, what I'm about to show you is A, for you, but B, to create a wow factor for your clients so that you can present this and business owners will buy this from you. So here in our lead search area, the AI assistant tool, straight out of the box, comes with a whole bunch of systems already in the program. We have tons here. We have influencer subject lines and first lines. We have icebreakers, summaries that we can do, DMs that the system can write, company research, etc. And I really want to show you where this flows through. So I won't go through the search. You've seen me do searches 100 times before, but let's have a look at some of the different areas that these results come in. So here I've got a list of companies that we've researched. We say, okay, great. I've got their business name. I've got their employee count. I've got all their emails and the people that work there. And all of that data goes straight across into high level. Literally connect all of that information straight into your contact list. Custom fields are created. Everything's done. And you've got now clients that you can communicate with. But what if we wanted to do a little bit more than that? This is where our AI comes into play. And now I've got this AI assistant column where I can do some amazing things. So for example, I might just for myself say, you know what, this is a great client. I want more like this, please. So we say, okay, find me similar clients to this one. And I can generate similar clients in a location. So let's say in Chicago, find me clients just like this. Here we go. And AI will actually go and find multiple more clients that match this same profile. It'll show you what it's looking for. It'll say, okay, I'm looking for this type of business in this location of this similar size, and it will come back. And this really just feeds you, okay? But imagine you're selling this to the client, it feeds them, and that's what they're paying you for, right? So here are 10 businesses that are similar, okay? And we've got now spas and bars, etc., which are this similar sort of size to our Med Spa original. I can just load more. And again, you can show this to your client that they can create, once they have a good client profile, AI will just find more for them. Next, we can do things which, this is where we start to get really personalized. Straight as soon as you install or as soon as your clients log into the program, this summary is in place. So it runs a very kind of surface level, have a look at this company and tell me all about it. Now you can edit this prompt, and that's what I want to talk to you about a little bit deeper, but you can get this prompt to be much more in depth. So that's kind of the surface level one that comes straight out of the box. Who are they? What do they do? How long have they been in business? How many employees are there? But you can get that research to be as deep as you want it to be. So as an example, I ran a different prompt. It's still under the summary here that I call awards and notes. And it's just an edit of that AI prompt that says, go deeper, find me more information. What have they won awards for? How long have they been in business? Who are the founders? Any information that you can find. And it gets a lot more detail about that business. Now, we don't have to just do company summaries. What if you're an SEO company, or what if you want to market AI services and you want the research to reflect who you are. So you might be an SEO business, for example. So here in my AI assistant, I've created an AI assistant research for, there we go, company SEO analysis. So if I'm an SEO company and I've got my list of businesses here, let me come back to my list of businesses. I've got my list of businesses, here they are, and I want to reach out to them with some SEO specific information because I'm an SEO company, if that's what you do. So now I can run this SEO analysis and watch the different data that comes through. So based on what I've told it, okay, let me see if I can create a different space there. Based on what I've told it, we'll be able to find that SEO analysis information. I know I did this on another one, so I'm just going to come across to that one that I just did a few moments ago. Where are we? Let's have a look at this summary information here. There we go. Another one. Summary. I'm looking for the one that I did the SEO analysis. There we go. Typical SEO audit. So this is what came through when we did an SEO audit on this particular company. Now, again, that's done by AI at speed, en masse, when you're just looking for your clients. All right. So this enables you to do whatever research you want to do. And that data then comes straight across into high level. Let me show you that, because this is where it really gets funky. What I want to be able to show you guys is that you can use the AI tool to perform any tasks you want and then feed that data into high level. What that allows you to do is communicate with that client in context. Let me show you. So I'm going to jump across to one of our high level accounts here. And this is, we've got our live outreach going on. We're constantly using the system to research a client, send them communication, communicate with them. So in this case, this company is, let me find out, what do they do? They are a construction company. So my AI, we can see, has done a research of this company and has found out all about them. And then the AI in high level has said, okay, cool, let's send an email specific to this construction company because we know who they are. So to this company, it sent out about blueprints and construction. It's been specific to who that company is. Let's find another example. So I'll go, let's find another company and find out what they do. So they are office interiors. Let's come down here. Office interiors specializes in designing office spaces. Well, let's find out what was said. So we come in here and say, hey, what if I could align with Office Interiors' knack for turning office spaces into cultural masterpieces? So again, it's been specific in the communication because it knows who it's talking to. Now, guys, this is where the wow factor comes in. I want you to use this in two ways. Number one, to feed yourself, right? To load in your ideal clients, to get the AI to communicate, to get them contextually aware of who it's talking to. Feed yourself, right? But then create a wow factor for your clients. So we're going live later on this week with CloseBot, one of the most incredible communication channels that you can plug into high level. We've got some great special deals there for you, so hang on for a second. We'll make sure we make that well worth your while. But CloseBot is an AI program that handles communication. When it knows who it's talking to, my goodness, the culture of the contact-aware conversations become such a wow. And that's what I want you guys to be able to show your client. When you get this, I can get a client, I can understand all about that client using AI, and then in high level, when I'm communicating with that client, or when AI is communicating with that client, it's communicating in context. It knows who it's talking to. Whoa. This is what you can package and sell. So sometimes we struggle with, what should I sell? How do I present it? How does this all come together? When you've got high level, fed with AI contact aware information, now you can do amazing things, and you can put that in front of a business owner and you can show them. Find your ideal lead, let AI research that lead, let AI communicate with that lead in context with your business knowledge and with knowing who it's talking to, and create inbound lead flow that is automated every single week, 20 to 50 new clients always coming through your pipeline. That's what we do. That's what we present. We charge a few $100s a month for it. Do you want me to set it up for you? So again, guys, two things that I wanted to show you. Your AI assistant can do amazing things. You just have to tell it what you want it to research. You can feed that data into your high level. It's a one-click instant integration. From there, you can use high level's own AI tools to communicate with that client in context, and you can show your client that you can set that up for them. And that's where you're growing your agency. Hopefully that's been helpful. Hopefully the live videos come through. First time using this streaming software, but we look forward to sharing more ideas with you guys. So give us feedback. Does that help? Does that open a wow? Did you see something there you didn't know, that you can even edit that AI assistant and get it to do different things, that you can feed that data into high level? Again, we want you to be making sure that you've got something here that you can package up and sell to your clients, because it's really a wow factor and it's a hot market right now. All right, guys, hopefully that's helpful. Look forward to seeing you in the next video.